5, 6JS Coupe. Afternoon.
Afternoon, how you doing?
Yes, very well, thanks. How's the car running?
Yeah, good.
Good. How have you had it?
5 years.
5 years.
Oh yes, very nice car.
No, I've been in my own before, but yeah, 10 years before we had all the work.
That's good. So you just keep ticking over. Have you been in the London Toronto before? Full time. How do you compare?
Yeah, great.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Have a nice afternoon and soak up some of that sunshine. Rally number 190, E-Type Series 3 fixed then. Afternoon, sir. Afternoon, how you doing? Very well, thank you. Yeah, you've got the roof open, I see. Staying okay, stay cool. Yeah, it's been nice.
Đi thôi, idziemy.
You enjoyed the run?
Thank you. Làm
And
xong phèo rồi.
everyone's fine, there's no hassle with navigation or anything like that. We are jolly good. All smiles all round, that's the main thing. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. It's lovely to see you. Looks like it's for sale. You want to buy an E-Type?
Bao bì xó.
Spare change if it's turning in somewhere. Guys, spare change. We're nearly at the finish now. We're going to do a prize viewing in about half an hour. So we'll be giving out some prizes. Rally number 157. XJS V12 convertible. Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm very well, thank you. Yeah, you're trying to keep cool there with the roof down?
Been wonderful. Been
Hopefully you've enjoyed the route.
absolutely.
And
Pedal cars like in my life.
Excellent. Yeah, we're all still big kids, aren't we?
Never even owned one.
But now you want it.
No, I'm quite happy with it.
You've got the life-size version. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Nice to see you. Rally number 189, Mark 2. Afternoon there, sir.
Good afternoon.
How's the drive?
Yeah, it's been wonderful. Well, that machine was fantastic.
Yes, well, good. I'm glad you enjoyed that. Yeah, we try and add in a few extra little stops to make it a bit more fun, so you enjoyed it.
And the chap who organised it is fantastic bloke.
Oh, pleased to hear it. And the traffic not too bad for you?
Well, it hasn't been brilliant, but I mean, come on.
Kind of have to expect it, I suppose, don't you? Nice to see you. Nice E-Type here, running number 48. Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How's the drive?
It's very pleasant, lovely day, very enjoyable.
The E-Type performed well?
E-Type performed very well. We got lots of trouble.
Tam te chat vào để bộ fajne, wiesz?
Well,
To tu rzutuj to samo.
Test of initiative. I wouldn't change it for the world. Nice to see you.
O, tu jest bombastic, patrz.
Number 45 is the Daimler version. They look similar. Very well, thank you.
I think your car is the best car, sir. You know?
Oh, then I think you're a man of taste.
This is the best car,
Yeah.
really. Name. How old is this car, sir? 1953. And you're the owner, yeah?
I'm the owner, yes.
Yeah. Did you enjoy the weather, the car?
Yeah, it's a nice car, yes.
My dad, he loved Jaguar type car.
Oh, yes.
Yes, but he can't afford. Yeah.
It's only when you get to my age you can afford them.
Yeah.
You've got to wait a few years.
Yes. I will record it and show my dad.
Right, okay.
To nie bomba te. Wszystkie są bomby. Krzysiek, wszystkie są bomby. Và sau đây là một cái too many beautiful cars, man. Dobrze, że kamera wziąłem. W życiu tyle Jaguar nie widziałem. Ten jaki ma lustro. Check it out. Masakra. Third Masakra, biết.
Lane number 127. Nice E-type drop head here. Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Just tell us a little bit about your car. How long you had it?
About 9 years now.
9 years. And
Third
do you use it
crazy,
often?
man.
Oh yeah, most weeks, yeah.
It's a lovely example. I take it you have to keep on top of it then for maintenance.
Yeah, it's been very good. I've spent all fine. It's very good.
Well, it's a lovely example. It's a very honest example. Good to see it being used and enjoyed. Have a nice afternoon.
Tên chat vào này tới điện phải.
Rally number 128. Now, you're going to tell us a little bit about this because it's not a real C-type. I'll take it as a recreation.
It's a recreation.
Now, these are very good recreations, aren't they? They're not sort of just...
Dlaczego mnie te nie bierze, tylko twoje? Idzie tutaj, mnie mógł ten brat. Nie ważne, idziemy tam.
Very authentic to the C-type, really. Absolutely scary. Yeah, nice to see it anyway. That's a C-type recreation. 60 years since the Le Mans winning 51 as well with the C-type. Rally number 267, XJS Coupe, afternoon. How's the drive? And have you been on the run before? So hopefully we've tempted you enough with some nice scenery that we'll see you again next year. Okay, jolly good. Nice rest of the day. Quite a few of these late XJS coupes and indeed convertibles. They were facelifted in 91 and again in 93, and the later ones are definitely the best bets in terms of rust and reliability. So they're very good. I've seen quite a few of them. 38 XJSs on the run today. So we've got some prize giving at 4:30. People's Choice Award. Farthest distance travelled to the start. We've got an E-type award and People's Choice. Rally number 225, XJ8. Wayne, when it was the crowds, popular man. Afternoon. How's the drive?